Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So we have in our previous video shown you that how to uh, make a employee master main form, and that form is now very much ready so that we can replicate it, and just with a few little changes in it, and a new form like customer master can be created, supply master can be created using this employee master form, uh, in which the validations is in place, in which all the mechanisms, the objects which are required in our development process to come, and these have been done, and we can just, before we make a copy of employee master and create a customer master, let's just visit again our custom employee master to show you, so that you are geared up with this. Okay, then it takes you to the employee table, and if you double click on it, it takes you to the change in okay editing mode, and if you click close, it takes you back to the interface. That's right. Okay, so we want the same thing, same process to be replicated to customer master, right? So what to do? It's the easiest step is that you go to the Visual Basic Screen Explorer, in which you will find this form, and our old customer form may be deleted, so that so we remove it, because we want to replicate it. We want to create it using our recent enhancement in the employee master. Okay, so we remove it and say no, that's right. Okay, so this is our form, which is our now, which will serve as a template form, right? So what we do is we click on it, and before doing anything, let's save it. Okay, Control S. Okay, now make sure we don't save it, and we just make a customer from the employee master. Okay, what we do is we rename it temporarily. Okay, we may take customer. So we will lose our custom employee form for a temporary basis. Okay. Okay, we have renamed it. The employee form is now become the customer form. And here we will write, instead of employee, we will write a customer ID. Customer ID. Fair enough. And what else? And this is going to be the cust ID. Okay, its name is going to be, so 3 changes we have made. Remember to bring all these changes back once the customer is exported. Okay, this is the cust ID. Okay, so that's all. We have done it. Now what we do, we export it. We export this file, okay, as a customer. Okay, this is going to be exported. Now it is exported. Now let's do this again, convert it back. Means the 3 changes which we made were, number 1 was what? This is okay. Go out from the search, you come back here. So this is a customer. So it will be emp. Next thing we did is that this was employee, right? Next is this was to be emp. Okay, so we have brought it again and we save it. Okay, we make sure that it runs. The employee master is running, right? There is no issue in that. Close it. That's fine. Now we are going to bring the customer into the action. Okay. So what we do, we will right click and import the file, and this is the customer. Okay, custom. So the customer form is here. Okay. Now we have two forms. One is employee form, as it was before. Okay, and this is employee form. And the customer is actually the replica is a duplicate of employee. So wherever, if you see that there's some employee written in the curve, make sure you make the changes as a customer. Okay, that's not a big deal for you. Most of the thing which we wanted to be duplicated is done. Okay, because master, okay. This is right, this is right. And what else you want? We want here. We want to go to the code and remove this employee. It is now customer. Okay. When yeah. So if there is any emp, we will replace it with cust. That's right. These are the changes which the rest is managed by this variable, that is sh. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine, that's right. Okay. And that's it. And what else? Yes, here it is also an emp. So the form name is customer. So why customer here and why cust there? Why cust there? Because this is how it is named. If you click it, this is cust. Make sure this is consistent, right? Okay. Okay. So we are now ready to, before we start, make sure your customer table is stable, right? If it is not table, then you have to make it table in a manner that you click like this, you select it and go to insert and click here. So since it is already inserted, so it is great. Otherwise you will do it, okay? And then when you have this table, then you will name it something meaningful, purposeful. The name should be purposeful. The purpose of this table is the cust master table. Okay, right. So this is how we have done, and okay. So this is the customer. So you don't need actually this one. You can remove this. Okay. Okay. Now let's test if it adapts or if there are error, we will handle it. Okay. So the employee master, the customer master is actually the copy of employee master. That's it working. Okay. So it is, if you want to edit it, company B, so there is a problem that's expected. Okay. That's we can handle it. No problem. That's it. At least it has started. And then in our next video, we are going to show you how to handle such things. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. And uh, we will, in the next video, further make the refinements. Thank you very much.